Hello everyone. Now this is one Western Digital pension hard drive of 5 TB. Now we can see the model number is WD50NDZW. Now we can learn that the head 0 and head 3 are weak. How to find out which heads are weak? So we can set up the head map. Or we can test the heads to find out the weak heads. And we have backup. Okay, we have backup the modules here. Okay, so all the modules have been backed up here. Now, how we can make best use of these backup resources to repair the weak head, the head 0 and head 3. Okay, let's continue. To repair the Western Digital weak heads, there is one function within the DFL Western Digital firmware repair software. And this function is very similar with the function available within the Seagate firmware repair software. That is to adjust the head working temperature. Okay, we don't need to power on the pension drive. We need to generate the new module first. Okay, the function is located under the menu command, and here adjust adaptive parameters. Select the directory. This is to select the backup, okay, firmware directory. So we can see that this is the firmware directory. SA backup modules copy 0. Now we select copy 0. So here we have listed the head working temperature list. Anyway, we know that this pension drive has 10 heads. So we need to manually input head numbers 10, and then we click Analyze. After click Analyze, we can see the module list. So 10 heads totally. Now how can repair the weak heads? Because we have learned that the head 0 and head 3 are weak. So we need to click head 0 now. Okay, and then we can select the columns with different values. For example, this one, A0, A2, B10, B11, B12, B14, B15. So these columns, and we can right click, increase. For example, usually we input 20, we can add 20 to these values. Okay, we can see the menus, the values have been changed. So this is head 3, head 0. Now we click head 3. Now we need to do the same. Select A0, A2, B10, B11, B12, B14, and B15. Right click, increase. The step value we input 20, click plus. After this one, we click save. Now operation success. Where we have saved these changes, we need to go to the firmware backup directory on the desktop. Now, this is the backup. We go to the SA backup modules, copy 0. Now we can see there is one folder called new file. And under this folder, we can find there's one new module 40. And this new module 40 contains the new head adaptive values, including the head working temperatures. Now we just go to the DFLWD software and enter the WD program. Anyway, I don't have 5 TB pension drives now because the client has taken away, because all the data has been recovered. Now I just show you how to write the module 40. It's very easy, okay? All the tools available in the market support the module write. This one is very easy. For example, now we are using DFWD firmware repair software. Now we can see how to write this module 40. This one is very easy. Now we enter the software. Anyway, this is not the 5 TB pension drive, but I just show you how to write this module 40. Now we check modules. Here we need to find this module 40. For example, this one, and right click. We can see write current module, write by ID, or write copy 0 by ABA. After we, for example, we write by ID, then we select the desktop, and this is the copy 0 new file. Okay, we write this module 40 generated by the working temperature adaptive changing. Okay, because we have saved the changes to this module, so we just need to write this module 40. After this one, we power off and power on. Then in many cases we have repaired the weak heads. Anyway, there is one situation: if the heads are totally damaged or the head shape has been changed, at this time we cannot use this wicked repair function. We need to swap the heads instead. Okay? Thank you for watching the video.